Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 10th August 2024. Hindenburg Research has hinted at another significant revelation related to India. On Saturday, Hindenburg posted on X stating, "Something big soon, India." Last year, on January 24th, Hindenburg Research released a report criticizing the Adani Group just before Adani Enterprises' planned share sale. The report resulted in an $86 billion decline in Adani Group's market value and a significant sell-off of its overseas listed bonds. India is considering changes in the Limited Liability Partnership Act and other measures that would enable domestic accounting firms to merge and acquire scale. The government is of the view that this will help create large domestic audit firms akin to the Big Four. The ministry is also engaged in talks with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, which has decided to relax provisions in its regulatory framework to facilitate the aggregation of chartered accountant firms. The Goods and Services Tax Network has rolled out a new functionality on the GST portal, allowing taxpayers to easily add or amend their bank account details. This update is part of GSTN's ongoing efforts to enhance the user experience and streamline compliance process for business. The Income Tax Department has announced the release of the updated utility and schema for Form 3CEB. This form is critical for the report from an accountant that must be furnished under Section 92E of the Income Tax Act, which pertains to international transactions and specified domestic transactions. Mahindra & Mahindra, India's fourth largest automaker, is in discussions with the Kerala government to set up an electric vehicle manufacturing unit in the southern state, which is known for its higher EV penetration. If the talks succeed, it could boost the state's industrial sector ahead of its global investment meet in February scheduled next year. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.